Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're so glad to have you here, and we're doing something completely new. So if you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel and join us on our brand new adventure in the St. Joe River.
All right, we are here in South Bend, Indiana, fishing the St. Joe River. Spotted some fish here earlier today. Missed a decent smallmouth. I'll throw a little topwater this evening. Let's see if we can get anything to go. There's a lot of goo, I've noticed. We have a little bluegill or something. I caught a rock bass earlier today. So we'll see what we do. See if topwater is an option with all the splitting stuff here. Saw some decent smallmouth. Just have to see if they'll bite. Again, we're in the heart of South Bend, Indiana. Not our normal fishing areas at all. Not at all. Nothing normal about this. Throwing a whopper plopper 60. Thought that'd be a good bait size based on the fish I was seeing. A lot of 8 inchers, 10 inchers, 12 inchers, a few. Well, saw one that was definitely bigger. River's beautiful, really clear, though really fast moving comparatively to rivers I'm used to. The good news is I know that we're going to get to fish that will be big enough to bite this after just scouting today. Almost got a decent one on a helger bite. Just didn't have the camera with me at the time. We've been looking for an area to fish. This is our ticket. I'm up here for a floodplain conference. Had a wonderful dinner. It's time to see if we can get a little topwater acrobatics to finish it off. Oh, there we go. First fish. Yes. Is this gonna be our first? It is. Our first St. Joe smallmouth is in the books. We missed one early. Pretty dark colors on that fish. Beautiful. Excellent. That's the start. Let's go get some more. This will, find the ones that are active. That was a good pint sizer. There's bigger fish in here. I've seen them, so. Just gotta get them to get hungry. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, got one. Oh, and he's a jumper. Sweet. Second St. Joe smallie. Another pretty one. Look how dark they are. That one was out there a little deeper. Oh, I got my whopper plopper all tingle-ingled.
Here's the fishing joke of the day. Why do fish live in saltwater? Because pepper would make them sneeze. Back to the action.
Big chunk of grass. Big chunk of grass. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Oh, that may be the best one. Yeah, it is the best one. Sweet. Not a big fish, but our best St. Joe of the day. Good job, Mike. Yes. Sweet. Beautiful fish. Thank you. I love fishing. Let's start our way back. Well, this has been a very enlightening trip. 3 fish. South Bend, Indiana, no matter what. Hopefully we get a couple more. On the way back through, we're gonna keep throwing that plopper because I just feel that these fish are different. That they're constantly moving in the current. That's what I was watching them do. They don't stay in one place. They don't hang out in one slot. They move. So an active pack might be a different active pack. Might just move on to somewhere else. This is a goal of mine, to just fish more of Indiana. So here we are, starting now. I know there's some big fish in here too, so we might be up for a surprise smash. There's one swimming around our conference area where we can't fish. You tell me when you see a 16-inch smallmouth bass, almost a 4-foot gar, and other fish, steelhead and stuff swimming around and you can't fish. That's rough on a fisherman. Rough. Rough indeed. Ah! There he was. Yes, I got one. Not what I got, but it was under the lights, under the bridge. Another smallmouth. Sweet. It's a disco smallmouth. Awesome. Look at those big spiders. Whoa. Wild. Holy horse story. Spider. Grab it back. Spiders everywhere. Alright.
Thanks for watching this video. If you haven't yet, hit the like button. We'd love to get the likes to 20, 30, 40, 50 likes on this video. We think we can do it with your help. So start pounding that like button. Drop us a comment because we love hearing from you. It was so much fun getting out there and searching new water and getting to experience something that we haven't done before, which was fishing fast-moving water for smallmouth bass. having a lot of fun tracking and finding a place to fish in a new city that we didn't have any experience with at all. Fishing wise, so it was a lot of fun discovering spots, trying some places and failing, which we did that many times before we were able to shoot this video, but finally found an area that was very fishable and that had fish available, and it was a lot of fun to see those smallmouth bass and see the really unique dark pattern that came out of that deep, cool, fast-moving current river that is the St. Joe River in South Bend, Indiana. So with that, thanks so much again. Subscribe. Check out Reese Life Dad Life as well, and our new Bible study at Fisher of Men. So with that, check out these videos at the end, and we'll see you next time out at the water.